The ninth iteration. Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro XL arrive. Google is back at it again with the release of their latest flagship smartphones, the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro XL. These phones are generating a lot of buzz in the tech community, and for good reason. They are packed with new features and improvements that promise to deliver an exceptional user experience. Let's dive into the details and see what these phones are all about. The Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro XL are the culmination of Google's dedication to creating premium Android devices. From the sleek design to the powerful new Tensor chip, these phones are engineered to impress. Google has clearly been listening to its users, refining existing features and introducing new ones that cater to a wide range of needs. Size and features. A pixel for every preference. This year, Google offers two distinct sizes for the Pixel 9. The standard Pixel 9 and the larger Pixel 9 Pro XL. The Pixel 9 boasts a 6.4-inch display, making it perfect for users who prioritize one-handed usability and portability. For those who crave more screen real estate for media consumption and productivity, the Pixel 9 Pro XL delivers with its expansive 6.8-inch display. Beyond size, the Pro XL boasts some extra features that set it apart from the standard Pixel 9. The Pro XL features a higher resolution display with a faster refresh rate, resulting in smoother scrolling and enhanced visuals. Additionally, the Pro XL packs a larger battery to keep up with the demands of its larger display and powerful internals. A splash of color. Exclusive hues for every style. Google continues its tradition of offering the Pixel 9 series in a variety of stylish colors. This year's lineup includes classic options like black and white, alongside more unique hues like a deep green and a vibrant blue. Interestingly, Google has opted to make certain colors exclusive to specific models. For instance, the eye-catching sunset orange is only available on the Pixel 9 Pro XL, adding to its premium appeal. This strategy allows Google to further differentiate its product lineup and cater to specific customer preferences. It also creates a sense of exclusivity around certain colors and models. Powering the experience. The Tensor chip advantage. At the heart of both the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro XL lies Google's own Tensor G4 processor. This chip is specifically designed for Pixel phones and is optimized for Google's suite of apps and services. The Tensor G4 promises significant performance enhancements over its predecessor, delivering faster processing speeds, improved energy efficiency, and enhanced AI capabilities. Google claims that the Tensor G4 will enable new and innovative features that are exclusive to the Pixel 9 series. These features will likely focus on areas like computational photography, voice recognition, and language processing. The Tensor G4 represents Google's commitment to delivering a truly intelligent and personalized smartphone experience.